This is the 1997 Ford F-150, and people literally called it the truck that grew up and went mainstream. By the late 1990s, Ford made a dramatic change. The F-Series got bigger, wider, and bolder, with rounded edges and modern styling that looked nothing like the boxy trucks of the past. For the first time, Ford wasn't just chasing toughness, it was chasing style, and it worked. Suddenly, the F-150 wasn't only a job site machine, it became a lifestyle vehicle. Families bought them as daily drivers, executives parked them outside their offices, and weekend warriors used them for camping, boating, and road trips. Trucks were no longer just for hauling, they were for living. Inside, the changes were just as dramatic. Plush seating, spacious back rows, and car-like comfort features turned the F-150 into something more than a tool. By the 2000s, you could get leather interiors, premium sound systems, and navigation screens. These were the kinds of upgrades that once belonged only to luxury sedans, now sitting inside America's truck. Underneath, the power kept growing too. Larger V8 engines and improved suspensions gave drivers the confidence to tow heavy trailers while still enjoying a smoother ride. The balance between muscle and comfort helped Ford hold on to its title as the best-selling vehicle in the country, year after year. But this era was about more than specs. It was about image. Driving an F-150 in the early 2000s wasn't just about getting work done, it was a statement. It said you wanted size, presence, and the freedom to use your truck for everything. And that shift, from pure utility to lifestyle, reshaped the entire pickup market. Today, these early 2000s models are still admired by collectors and enthusiasts because they mark the turning point where trucks stopped being just tools and became cultural icons. And this is only one part of the Ford story. We're creating a full video series on the history of trucks, from the first post-war F1 to the modern electric F-150 Lightning. If you're a truck fan or a history lover, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next video in the series.